Welcome to the WinGIS tutorial series. In this video, we will demonstrate how to save our maps and parcel summaries into documents, and then we'll demonstrate how to print those documents. First, open one of our maps and zoom to the view you'd like to print. Many users will place drawings or measurements on the map before printing. We've covered markup and measurement in a previous tutorial, so try watching that if you're interested. When you export the map, any graphics or measurements you draw on the map will appear in the exported version. The same is true for any layers you turn on. Once you have the correct view, open the Print tab in the sidebar. From here, you'll have lots of options to choose from. Let's quickly go over them. The title names your printed map. This will display at the top of your document in most templates. The template chooses the type of printing layout your map will have. For example, most maps have options to print a map in landscape or portrait. The Show Print Area toggle lets you see what part of your current map view will fit in the template you've chosen. The File Format option lets you pick the kind of file your export will contain. For example, you can choose PDF, PNG, or JPEG. Most users won't need to use the advanced options, but we'll quickly go over them anyways. The Scale chooses the size of the printed map, the DPI determines the image quality, and the Output Spatial Reference determines the projection of your exported map. The options below this just customize different information displayed on the template. If you don't want to use a template, you can click the Map Only button at the top of the Print tab. This will make the exported image display only the map. Once you've got your settings right, click the Export button. After a moment, you'll be presented with the requested file. When you open this file, keep in mind that it's only stored on our server temporarily. You should not share the link with someone to send them the file. You'll want to download the file by clicking the Download button in the top right. From there, you can share the file or send it to your printer. Some WinGIS users will want to print a parcel alongside information about the parcel. To do this, click on a parcel and then on the Summary button that appears on the top of the Details tab. This will bring you to the Parcel Summary page, which contains a print button for easy export. You can also come straight to this page from the Home navigation if you already know the PIN of the parcel you're interested in. This concludes our tutorial. If you ever forget how to use one of our tools, most of the tabs on our maps contain a helpful pop-up explaining how to use it. Thanks for watching.